Today we want to install a furnace and heat pump, which is hybrid heat for saving. That's the old furnace. And we will replace this filter rack. And we'll replace all the piping. And remove this humidifier because it's not working. The installation is done for saving. And we install the carrier furnace. And we install the manual holder, air cleaner, and we rebuild the lanyard. New pipe and new controller for heat pump. Okay, the heat pump is done for saving. I installed the new carrier heat pump and it's working now. It's on heat. We put a bracket and we have another option to put it on a snow stand.